All right, guys, this is Mr. H again. I'm going to spin the wheel and whatever question comes up, we've already done that one at some point. Let me do another one. We've done that one as well. Okay, let's see what we got here. It says we got an expression, a negative 3x squared plus 9 minus the quantity 7x squared minus 5x plus 4 is equivalent to. Now, this is a technique that I'd like for my students to use, whether you do this after you do the algebra or before the algebra. Preferably, I'd like you to do it before the algebra. But all we're going to do is we're just going to store a number and make this into a function. We're going to get an output, and then we're going to treat these as functions and see which one gives us the same output. So let me show you exactly what I'm doing. So I need 411. All right, so I need a new calculator page. Now, it doesn't matter what number we choose for x. But don't use 0, don't use 1, because that sometimes can give you multiple answers. So what I like to use in these situations is $1.23. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to store $1.23 into x. So I'm going to do control variable, should get that, and I'm going to put that into x. Now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back and I'm just going to type in this expression exactly like it is. I'm not going to try to simplify it, get rid of parentheses, combine like terms. I'm not doing any of that. I'm just going to type this in exactly like I see it. So let me go here and do that. So it's parentheses 3x squared, or negative 3x squared. It's very important to get the actual expression, plus 9, close the parentheses, then minus, and then we have parentheses 7x squared minus 5x plus 4, and then we close it, press enter. So that's our output. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go here and I'm going to write that a negative 3.7, what was it, a negative 3.97979. Now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through here until I find the one that gives me that same output. So I'm just going to key them in, a negative 10x squared, a negative 10x, all right, let's go this way, a negative 10x squared, plus 5x plus 5, press enter. There you go, that's it. That's our answer. Number one is that you can stop. Now, let me do how much time is it? Basically that's it, but let me do a quick algebra. So we got 3x squared plus 9, and then we're going to distribute this. So this is going to be a negative 7x squared. We're going to distribute this. It's going to be a plus 5x. And then let me take this plus 9 and move it over here. And then what we have is we got a negative times a positive 4, so that's going to be a minus 4. So when we combine these, this is going to be a negative 4x, actually, sorry, that's a negative 3x squared. Good catch, Greg. And that's why you should check your work, because it's easy to make careless mistakes. So we're going to have a negative 10x. This is going to be a plus 5x, and then 9 minus 4 is going to be plus 5, which is the first choice. All right. Now, I didn't try to make that mistake, but that's what happens sometimes when you're doing algebra and you're going quickly. That's why I like this. No matter what you get, you should check it by storing a number and making sure that the choice that you chose matches the original. That's just a good test-taking strategy. All right, I am going to stop. Hopefully you see the value of storing numbers in the multiple choice section and checking. All right, I'm going to stop and post.